When presented with a big project, to keep from becoming overwhelmed, you need a plan. If we were doing scientific research that included a hypothesis and experiment, we would use the scientific method as our plan. When looking for information on a specific topic or researching a specific topic, we can use the Big Six research model as our plan. The first step in the Big Six research model is to define our task. In this step, we have to ask ourselves, what is the problem? Or what information are we looking for? Now that we have defined our problem, we can move on to the next step of the Big Six research model, information seeking strategies. In this step, we will brainstorm to determine all possible sources of information. Once we have all those possible sources, we want to evaluate them and select only the best. The third step in our model is location and access. Now we will physically locate our sources. If you had identified the internet as a possible source, it is in this step that you would actually log on and browse for your information. The fourth step is the use of information. Now that you have all this information, we need to extract the most relevant. The fifth step is synthesis. This is when you organize all your information and present your results in a final product. Your final product can take many forms: a research paper, a presentation, charts, brochures. With today's technology, the form in which you present your results is limited only by your creativity. The sixth and final step of the Big Six model is evaluation. Did your product present your information effectively? Did you get your point across to your audience? Were you satisfied with your product? Was your process effective? The Big Six model can be applied in any situation where information is needed. Let's say you want a cell phone that is also a media player. First, define your task. Find a cell phone. Second, identify information strategies. Where can you find this information? Maybe you should visit your local wireless store or search the internet, or maybe you should read a consumer digest. Physically gather your information. Go to the wireless store. Browse the internet. Then make use of the information. Compile the information and weigh the pros and cons. Synthesize. Make the purchase. This would be your final product. Finally, evaluate. Does the product actually meet your needs? Purchasing a cell phone is just an example of how the Big Six model can be applied in your everyday life. Remember, anytime you need information, just use the 6 steps we have reviewed today. Define your task, determine your information seeking strategies, locate and access the information, make use of the information, synthesize the information into a product, and then evaluate your product.